My video guide is about removing the online scam that claims to be another Windows support alert, which quotes this fake Windows support number 888-978-0313. But keep in mind that this is a fake number. It is not related to Windows support, and it is totally fake and deceptive. All these messages displayed by these pop-ups are faulty. They try to trick you into calling this fake Windows support number, and if you do that by mistake, you'll hear some online hackers who would try to connect to your system remotely. Then they may infect your computer with some other malicious software, and then they may tell you to pay money to get it supposedly fixed. So please be wise. Don't ever interact with these pop-ups and don't call this fake Windows support number. It is not a real Windows support number, even though indeed it is a real number. However, it's not the part of Windows or Microsoft support program. These pop-ups may be the trace and the result of some adware enabled in your computer, so carefully research the control panel and uninstall the programs that might be suspicious. In case you find them, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You might see some filthy ads attacking your screen periodically. Of course, they also need to be blocked. And Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you very well in this matter. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.